Welcome to English is Simple, the channel that makes learning English easy and fun. If you've been struggling with English conversations or want to boost your speaking skills, you've clicked on the right video. So, get ready to learn, practice, and master English with questions designed just for you. Let's get started.
What time is it?
It's 8:30 a.m.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
What are you doing?
I'm just reading a book.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well, thank you.
What's for breakfast?
We're having pancakes for breakfast.
Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Where is my phone?
I think it's on the table.
How much does this cost?
It costs $20.
What's your name?
My name is Jonvi.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How was your day?
My day was great. How about yours?
What did you eat for lunch?
I had a sandwich for lunch.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Where is the nearest store?
The nearest store is 2 blocks away.
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure, here's the salt.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
What's your plan for today?
I'm planning to go to the gym.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
Can you repeat that?
Sure, I'll say it again.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Where did you buy this?
I bought this at the mall.
How far is it from here?
It's about 10 miles from here.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm today.
Can I call you later?
Yes, call me anytime.
Where is the restroom?
The restroom is down the hall to the right.
What time will you be home?
I'll be home by 6 p.m.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked it.
Can I get you anything?
No, I'm good, thank you.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 15th May.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Where is your office?
My office is in downtown.
How do you spell your name?
It's spelled John.
Can you speak slowly?
Sure, I'll speak slowly.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free tomorrow.
When is the meeting?
The meeting is at 10 a.m.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling a bit tired.